Okay, now that we've gone over, how to commit things and how to do all that, one thing we haven't touched on yet is how to unstage things, how to take things out of our mailbox and put them back on our writer's desk. So let's kind of go through a quick example here. As you can see, I've made a modification to book one or chapter one. I've added this line, adapted from Homer. Let's double check. Let's make sure that's the only modification I've made. Let's just do a git diff. Okay, yep, here's my plus. I added this line, adapted from Homer. Okay, so that's my change. So let's add that. Let's add chap 1 to our mailbox or our stage. So now we're going to see, okay, changes to be committed. In your mailbox, in the staging index, we have this modification to chapter 1. Notice the change in color as well. Now let's say, shoot, I forgot to do one more thing. I was going to add this. I have to say in 2013, some copyright reason or something. Now, when we do git status, look at the difference. These are Git is looking at this as two different files. One is modified chapter 1 without in 2013. One is modified chapter 1 with 2013. Now, there are two things we can do here. The easiest and the obvious way, probably the way you're most likely going to do it, is you're just going to do git add chap 1. And that's going to overwrite the file that's in your staging index in the mailbox. So we can just go here, git status, and this chapter 1 is going to say in 2013. We're going to push this file to replace this one. And Git's also looking at kind of the history of saying, okay, well, this is the most recent version, so this must be the version he wants. But you're still looking at, okay, but what if I just want to pull that back? I want to say, I don't even want to send that file to the publisher anymore. I want to keep that with me. It's just not ready. I don't even want her to see it. The repository should not get that file. Well, Git actually gives you a little hint right here. Use git reset head file to unstage. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go over really kind of behind the scenes work of how a reset works in later videos. It's a little complicated to jump into right now. But pretty much what you need to know is that little message right there, that's telling you exactly how to do it. So all I'm going to do is git reset head, and then the file I want to take out is chapter 1. And then it gives you a little confirmation here. Unstaged changes after reset was chapter 1. Now if I do a git status, it put it back onto my writer's desk. It said, okay, we took it out, changes not staged for commit. So there's nothing here. Remember how there's a difference here. There are no changes to be committed. Our mailbox is empty right now. We've taken that file out, put it back on our writer's desk. The publisher is not going to see it if we commit it.